Welcome back to my channel, where we explore the world of academia. In today's video, we will discuss how to maximize the value of your dissertation results chapter. The results chapter is a crucial section of your dissertation, as it presents the findings of your research. However, it's not just about reporting the results, it's about extracting the maximum value from them. So let's dive in and learn some strategies to maximize the value of your dissertation results chapter. Provide clear and concise presentation. The first strategy to maximize the value of your results chapter is to provide a clear and concise presentation of your findings. Organize your results in a logical manner using headings and subheadings to guide the reader. Use tables, graphs, or visual aids to enhance the clarity of your data. Present the key findings in a straightforward manner, avoiding excessive technical jargon. Clarity and conciseness help the reader grasp the essence of your research and its implications. Interpret and analyze your findings. Don't just report the results. Interpret and analyze them in your results chapter. Go beyond the surface-level description and delve into the underlying meaning of your findings. Identify patterns, trends, or relationships within your data. Explain the implications of your findings and discuss how they contribute to the research question or objectives. Interpretation and analysis add depth and insight to your results, maximizing their value. Relate your findings to the literature. To maximize the value of your results chapter, relate your findings to the existing literature. Identify how your results align with or deviate from previous studies. Discuss any inconsistencies or contradictions and offer explanations. Highlight the contributions of your research to the broader scholarly conversation. By connecting your findings to the literature, you enhance the significance and impact of your research. Discuss limitations and future directions. Acknowledge and discuss the limitations of your study in the results chapter. No research project is perfect, and it's important to be transparent about the constraints or challenges you encountered. Explain how these limitations may have influenced your findings and suggest areas for improvement or future research. By addressing limitations and suggesting future directions, you demonstrate a critical understanding of your research and open avenues for further exploration. Highlight practical and theoretical implications. Maximize the value of your results chapter by highlighting the practical and theoretical implications of your findings. Discuss how your results contribute to practical applications or real-world implications. Identify how your research addresses theoretical gaps or challenges existing theories. By emphasizing the broader implications of your findings, you demonstrate the relevance and value of your research beyond the scope of your study. Consider multiple perspectives. To add value to your results chapter, consider multiple perspectives in your analysis. Explore alternative explanations or interpretations of your findings. Discuss any nuances, complexities, or exceptions that emerge during your research. By acknowledging and addressing different perspectives, you showcase a comprehensive analysis and enrich the understanding of your results. Congratulations, you now have strategies to maximize the value of your dissertation results chapter. Provide a clear and concise presentation, interpret and analyze your findings, relate them to the literature, discuss limitations and future directions, highlight practical and theoretical implications, and consider multiple perspectives. By implementing these strategies, you can create a results chapter that goes beyond mere reporting and adds significant value to your research. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to learn how to complete your dissertation in 6 months or less. Happy writing!